Hello and welcome to PeakBot, the official side hustle of 2023. PeakBot is an automated trading platform integrated with TD Ameritrade, built for the everyday person. Through our simple-to-use platform, PeakBot has leveled the playing field for the retail trader by providing professional-grade algorithms that execute trades on your behalf. You pick the stocks, our bots do the rest. Our traders love PeakBot. Here's what some of them had to say.
PeakBot is an incredible platform. It takes the guesswork out of buying and selling stocks. I've been a lot more cool, calm, and collected after using this technology. Investing and trading has never been easier. I'm super thankful and spoiled to have this platform for my use.
When they say hands-free trading, they truly mean it. I have no time for trading during work hours, and with a quick setup, these bots do it for me. Easy to use, great customer support, and a company that is ahead of their time. PeakBot is absolutely a tool needed by any daily trader.
PeakBot is the only algorithm provider in the world that shares all results. On usepeakbot.com, navigate to the Results tab to see all of our traders' past performances. We also provide consumable statistics on our social media platforms.
All those traders' results who you just saw got set up for PeakBot in under 5 minutes. Watch this quick demo to see how easy it really is to use PeakBot. To get started, all you need is a TD Ameritrade account. If you don't have one, create one now at start.tdameritrade.com. Please note that PeakBot does not collect a commission when users sign up for TD Ameritrade. Now it's time for the good stuff, how to activate a stock. Click the plus sign in the top right-hand corner to get started. Now select your bot, then select the stocks that you'd like to invest in. You can search by the ticker name, or you can type out the actual name of the business, and you can add as many stocks as you would like in here. For this example, I'll be choosing 3. Lastly, determine your budget per stock. Note that there's a limit of how much you can invest per trade. That amount is determined by the tier of your subscription. For the Momentum bot, you can trade up to $500 per stock on Tier 1. Tier 2 is $1,000, and Tier 3 is $10,000 per stock. When these stocks are primed to buy or sell, your bot will execute the trade for you, and you'll then be notified by TD Ameritrade. To edit a stock, first open your portfolio and check the boxes of the stocks you wish to edit. Now, click Edit Status and select Pause if you'd like to pause any of your positions, meaning it will not buy or sell. Now, you can also resume them by clicking Play. You also have the option to Smart Exit or Remove. Smart Exit means that your bot is going to exit you out of your next position, and instead of buying you back in like it traditionally would, it's going to remove it from your portfolio. You can also manually come in and remove the stocks yourself. You want to be careful with that in case you're in an active position, but here's how you do it. These actions are immediately communicated to your bots, giving you the ultimate control over your positions while having the bots still trade them for you automatically. To connect to your broker, hit the Connect Broker button in the top left-hand corner and then start connecting it to your TD Ameritrade account. It'll ask you for a 2-factor authentication, and it'll send you a code to your phone. Once you get that code, plug it in, and then you'll be able to hit Continue. Trust this device, and now TD Ameritrade is going to ask you to authorize PeakBot's usage. Click Allow, and now you'll be sent back to the PeakBot app. Once you're back to the PeakBot app, you'll notice that your account is now connected to TDA. And that's it. That easy. PeakBot, for a limited time, is offering a 2-week free trial to any and all traders who want to give it a shot. All you need is a TD Ameritrade account and to head to app.usepeakbot.com to get started today. PeakBot also offers a 90-day money-back guarantee to any first-time subscriber. If after 3 months you're not satisfied with your results through PeakBot, let us know and we will pay you back the subscription amount that you paid. If you like what you see, head to our app now at app.usepeakbot.com and redeem a 50% off coupon for your first quarterly subscription with code EZPB. All caps, code EZPB for 50% off of your first quarterly subscription. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dylan, co-founder of PeakBot. If you have any questions at all, please email me directly at dylan@usepeakbot.com. Thanks so much. See you at the peak.